I just wanted to go over a very important safety video that often gets neglected. So when you have your dryer hooked up, a lot of people aren't really, they might check the lint in the dryer itself, but they never pull it out to see what is happening from here till the outside of your house. So you have all these ridges in here and it just gathers lint little by little over time. Before you know it, it can turn into a big problem, and that heat going through here will catch it on fire because it's so dry. So, easy solution. Now, a lot of these are kind of fragile. It's almost like aluminum foil. So like if you take like a brush through there, there's a chance you might rip that. That's a worst case scenario because most of the time these run through a wall. So if you rip it inside of a wall, you're not going to be able to change it. So what I do is a blower. A lot of times you might have this around the house, a leaf blower, and all you're going to do, put this inside there. It is literally the perfect size, like one of the engineers actually designed it. I know they didn't, but put it in here, go up as far as you can. Go up as far as you can, so it almost suctions around there, and just start out slow and then work your way up. And I can already see some of the lint is stuck in the side here. There's a little bit right here. So this was around here, but you can see like little pieces of this are in there. Actually, let me try to blow it from right here. That's gonna force all this outside, and then make sure you take apart the outside and pick up all the lint basically. It's gonna be probably in a big ball. And again, that could cause a fire. So you wanna check this every so often. Even though it might be difficult to move out your dryer, ask a friend, move it out, take it apart. They just have hose clamps on here. There's just a hose clamp, take it off, and then blow it out. It could save your life. So also check with your tenants. If you have tenants, make sure that they are cleaning the lint trap. And then also you yourself as a landlord, go over there and make sure it's happening. That way, you know it's going to be properly cleaned out. A lot of times people, they are heavy, they're probably not gonna pull it out. So let's go to the outside camera and see what we got out there. I had it set up out there, and let's see how it went. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, look at that. Right away, like all this was in there. And this isn't a long run either. It's only like maybe 10 feet. So and make sure you do this here too. Look at all this. It's probably enough it's very dry. It's probably enough to start a fire. So just a little tip here, just to save you from having a house fire. And this was probably done, I don't know, 3 months ago. So depending on how much lint comes off your clothing, yeah, this could definitely turn into something major. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll have lots more different videos like this coming up, from different safety stuff to tools, products, whatever. Everything to do with houses. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below.